Okay, so today's video, I'm repairing some loading ramps for a trailer. It's an aluminum trailer, carries a mini excavator. What I'm doing is I'm reinforcing them. There's another one over here, right there. I've already put the reinforcements on it. What we decided to do is throw some 1/4 inch by 2 inch flat bar on the sides of these. So this one over here, I already tacked the flat bar on. It's got to be welded out. This is the bent ramp. So it's straight, and I'll show you how I did that. So normally how you'd straighten something like this out is you would put it in some sort of press, or even just put blocks on the ground and stand on it. That could work, but you need heat. I don't have acetylene or oxygen. I don't even have propane, so I couldn't heat it up to straighten it out. So when I put a straight edge on it, I took a good look and I realized almost about 85% of the bend was all concentrated in this one spot. So when it's like that, it's all in one spot and it's not a gradual bend, a gradual arc. It's more of a crease instead of an arc. You can slice it open, so that's what I did. See if we can zoom in there. So what I did is I took a zip cut and I cut a slice about halfway through this square tubing. And that way I was able to put some blocks on the ground and use my feet and stand on it and straighten it out and then tack it where it sits. So it's actually pretty straight now. The ramp itself isn't perfectly straight, but the flat bar are, obviously. But it's pretty close. Okay, so what I gotta do now is go over all these T's and hammer them back into the right place they're supposed to be. Clean the spot, weld it, then flip it over, do the same thing on the other side, then weld the other side. Okay, so I finished welding both these up. I had to add 2 pieces of flat bar on the underside of the one that was bent that I straightened, and I also added some chunks on the inside where the cut was. Obviously I welded the cut up before. And then this is the other one that didn't need to be straightened. Welded some of the gaps on the cracks between the runners, and then puts, you know, just 1 inch welds right where that brace is underneath. Flat bars on there, I'll weld it out. Looks pretty good. For not welding aluminum in like, I think it's been 6 years. So, looks pretty good. Okay, so now, project's not done. A quick add-on: when the customer dropped off those ramps, I already quoted them and everything. He gave me these, and I guess I almost tipped the trailer over and bent both of the standoffs, which is, I mean, I've seen one of these bend, but to bend both of them at the same time, you almost went for a ride. So, gotta fix these up. A lot of people will be like, oh, just straighten them out. Well, you can't. Aluminum like that, when it's bent that bad, I mean, if you just heat it up, it's gonna become brittle again. It's probably just gonna do that again. So this is only 4 inches wide. The flat bar is 2 inch flat bar, so that'll be able to go on here, and I'll put some gussets on it so that it doesn't fold like that again. Just a quick business tip for anyone that's, you know, trying to get into the welding side jobs, or has a small welding business, or just any business in general. Don't give stuff away for free. So like I said, these were an add-on. I didn't know about them till the ramps were getting dropped off, so last minute. So there was no price discussed or anything, so I'm just gonna do this, and whatever use for like materials and consumables, I'm going to charge to it, and then the time it takes, I'm going to charge to it. I'm not doing it, oh, then I'll only charge you half my rate, or no, nothing. An add-on is full price. Don't ever give anything away for free like that, because what you're going to happen, you're going to have people coming to you, and these guys, like, you don't want some of your best customers thinking they can get a discount every single job. I mean, every once in a while, I guess there's ways you can discount, but you don't, trust me, you don't want some of these people that are going to come to you, they're going to take advantage of you. They're going to thrive off of the idea that you'll give them work for free. So every single time they bring a job, they're going to bring another one, and they're going to expect the other one for free. So never give anything away for free. If someone gives you a surprise job, like this scenario where it gets dropped off at the same time as another one, you charge your full rate and full everything for it. Don't think that's going to lose you work. It's not. That's just how business is done. So do not start giving stuff away for free. Okay, there it is, guys. Finished product. Both of them reinforced. These are also reinforced and new bases with gussets. Done. And then this is the ramp that was split in half. That's where I cut. It's been welded. Flat bar inside, on the outside on both ramps, and then some flat bar on the back. And then this is the one that was already good. And yeah, got my TIG welding back. I hadn't TIG welded aluminum in a while, but it's starting to look good. Still needs practice, but not bad. And we'll just take it back. You can see how straight that ramp is now. It's not perfect, but pretty darn close. So happy with it. Customer's on the way with some cash to pay me.